Alright guys, so today we got the Fortunato 500 series coilovers that we're going to be installing on my Evo. So I already have preload set for the springs so they're not loose and they don't bind up. I have the height set to be equal on all four sides, but we don't know what they're going to sit at, so once we get them in the car we will adjust them properly. Take these two bolts off, and then there's a bolt in the back that holds this bracket. So once we get those off, we'll get you an update. Start it. Yeah, bro, so we're pretty much almost done. We already almost finished this whole thing. Oh. Yeah. This is not supposed to be on camera. Alright guys, so now once you get those bolts off, you just have three on the top and it just slides right off. I can get this on there. There we go. Try not to hit my car. This is probably a better idea. Damn, look at these you did. Style type these, I remember. Yeah. Idiot.
Hey,
yep, look at that.
Remember I tightened them too? They were a total stretch that I searched them online.
Yes. Alright, once you take those three top mounts, it just slides right out. Oh, that ugly stock one. Oh, it's so heavy too. Oh. Now, it's time to get, it's a rear one, so gotta grab a front. These have the camber plates and the damper adjustment. So let's get these in. Get all the way in?
Nope. Wasn't even near all the way in. There we go. Hold them up. Oh my god. There we go. That one in the one on the left, I don't think I'll be able to thread for the life of me, that's for sure. Oh, sorry for touching your luscious locks, Tony.
Well, got it in. It wasn't too bad to do. The top one we're in. Now let's get the wheel on and see what kind of fitment we're getting. Alright, so now I got the wheel on. Let's lower it, see what kind of fitment we got. I hope I can get my jack out. Oh, wait. That. Oh, that's perfect.
You need some space.
I need spacers, that's a perfect fit there. It's so low. We're gonna do this side, and since it's the same exact thing as that side, we'll just start recording again. Let's just do the rears. Get a jack. Oh yeah. So fun.
Oh my god. Oh, he tried to get a bolt out and he hit it with the ratchet, and the ratchet got stuck in there and took its place.
Because I get in trouble, you're not supposed to do that.
What? What?
You're not supposed to use that as a hammer, as a chisel. I just did it.
Yeah, because this is what happens when you use it as a hammer.
Alright, so the top mounts in the rear are back here and back here, so you have to take this off, this plastic piece, and some of the lining to get to it. So it's 4 clips, one right here, one right here, one right here, and right there. And this should just come off. The battery is back here, so we'll see how it looks, because I don't even know where exactly they're at. So,
Yeah, I feel like this one's gonna take. These were not bad,
yeah,
honestly.
the fronts weren't too
We
bad.
ran into a couple kinks, but it wasn't too bad. These definitely need some spacers, dude. But yeah, these are nice and low now.
Flips out, just pops right out. Very simple.
Doesn't even pop, just kind of
just
falls out.
slides pretty much.
I love how the windshield washer fluid's back here.
Yeah, I might as well just fill it up while I'm back here.
All right, so for the rears, we got 1 bolt back here, and then behind the trunk where we showed you, there's 2 bolts. up there. It should come out easy peasy.
So there's 2 bolts right here.
I hope they get it.
This is already loose. Oh, you can see it. The one right there and the one back here, and then there's the same over there. 2. And then they should just come right off. They're actually pretty easy to do on this car. So yeah.
Not bad. Hey, get to work, Tony.
What?
So get to work.
I am. Alright, so once you get that long bolt out, take this off and this together. So to get it off, you just gotta kind of get a screwdriver in there and just pry it. There you go. And there she goes. She's out.
Look at that old piece of garbage. We're gonna replace with something beautiful. All we gotta do is hand tighten, so when we do the bottom, it's a lot easier to move around.
Alright, now we need the jack so we can lift the... You can give me the jack from that side?
A little bit of trouble with something right now. Tony, would you mind showing them?
No. Alright. Aligning this up right here to get in here is a little bit of a pain. You gotta, I don't know, you gotta kind of finesse it in there, if that's the best way to put it. I don't even know, to be honest. We're gonna see how we can do.
Alright, so we're already working on the second one and getting it in. We figured out the easiest way to get it in there is not to hook it up from the top, from inside the trunk first. Just get this, get these lined up first, and also use, what did we use again? What kind of grease? I don't know. We used grease, and the grease worked. It lubed it up.
Alright, so to lock these coilovers in, the key won't lock it, so you gotta take a cloth, do this, and just tap it. You'll see it slowly lock itself in, and that should be good for that one. And the bottom ones, you really gotta make sure you lock in place, or else they'll come loose, and you don't want that. That'll be good. Watch the camera. Watch the camera. I think. Alright, now we're all done.
Did you wait? No, we got to tighten up the...
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I got those, but go ahead.
You just said you did it.
Here she is.
Yeah. So it's pretty low, but it checks. We turn the wheel lock to lock. It seems like there's no scraping or anything. The back has plenty of room as well. And we're gonna go for a drive, see if I scrape in my driveway. If not, we're perfect. Alright, well that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and it's not that hard of an install if you're looking to do that for your car. Otherwise, like and subscribe.
Idea of how stiff these coilovers
I'll
are.
put my whole weight on it. Just look, barely moving.
Nothing. It's the only bouncing you see is the tire bounce.